At 4 a.m., for SpaceX's most ambitious Starship launch happened. SpaceX planned to catch the booster mid-air using the Mechazilla tower. This had never been attempted before, plucking the booster from the sky using two small pins on its sides. Despite the challenges, SpaceX succeeded in landing both the Super Heavy booster and the Starship itself with pinpoint accuracy. This achievement highlights the power of engineering and human ingenuity. This was the fifth flight of the Starship's Super Heavy stack. Previous flights faced issues like debris from engine failures, loss of control, and a failed stage separation, but SpaceX made key improvements. For example, the first flight suffered from what they called a rock tornado, which spread debris across the area and caused engine failures. In response, SpaceX added a water deluge system for future launches, helping protect both the launch pad and engines. Flight 2 introduced a hot staging separation system, which improved stage separation but still led to the booster's destruction after engine burnout. By Flight 3, both stages managed to complete their burns successfully, with Starship testing in orbit before it lost attitude control and was destroyed on re-entry. Flight 4 saw further refinements, such as dropping the hot staging ring to reduce mass and allow for safer landings. This led to a near-perfect booster descent and landing in the Gulf of Mexico, showing impressive precision in the return-to-Earth process. In the latest test, Flight 5, the launch went off as scheduled, and the ascent was flawless, passing through Max Q with a stunning sunrise backdrop. The real test began during stage separation, where multiple engine restarts and shutdowns occurred. Everything worked perfectly, and Starship began its descent. Despite some damage during re-entry, holes burned through its control fins, the spacecraft remained stable and ultimately landed safely in the ocean. The booster, meanwhile, executed a series of rapid maneuvers, lighting its engines at just the right moments to decelerate and guide itself back to Mechazilla. The tower successfully caught the booster between its arms, a monumental step towards full reusability. This test demonstrated both the immense progress and remaining challenges for SpaceX. While they've achieved incredible milestones, such as catching the booster, they still have work to do, especially with improving Starship's heat shield for future missions. Overall, this was a massive success, paving the way for even more ambitious tests in the near future.